Hyper Tough 2.5 amp sander. My other one, I could have ordered one off of eBay, but I didn't want to wait. It was only $17.83. Instructions. Come with some pads. Dust bag, vacuum hose adapter, and 3 sanding papers, 60, 80, and 120. 2-year warranty. Let me cut you off and I'll cut you back on. Truck bed liner coating. It's working pretty good. Resprayed out. Alright, YouTube, tell me what y'all think. I sprayed it with this satin charcoal gray, my base coat, and I used this texture truck bed and coating. Works really good. And I'm gonna use this 2K clear. Hit it with 2 coats of that clear.